a thoughtfully restored 15th-century residence nestled in the picturesque hills of Radda in Chianti, Tuscany. This serene holiday home, designed and built by Holzrausch, redefines rustic luxury by fusing traditional Tuscan architecture with refined contemporary design. Originally composed of a main house and an adjacent dormitory, Casa Morelli has been revitalized into a seamless composition of old-world charm and modern comfort. A new connecting structure unites the two buildings, forming a layout that gracefully blends heritage with innovation. Set against sweeping vineyards and forested hills, the house invites guests to embrace the natural beauty of the Chianti region. At the heart of the home lies a loft-like living and dining space, framed by a striking panoramic window that opens completely. This design not only invites abundant natural light, but also offers uninterrupted views of the surrounding hills. The continuity between indoors and outdoors is enhanced by bespoke anthracite-colored cotto stone flooring, used throughout the interior and exterior for a cohesive sensory experience. The kitchen, crafted with the same handmade cotto stone, exemplifies Holzrausch's philosophy of material honesty and artisanal precision. Complemented by top-tier equipment, gas cooktops from pit cooking, a wine fridge, and designer fixtures, the space is ideal for preparing and sharing meals inspired by the local culinary heritage. Step outside, and the magic continues. Pergolas offer shaded dining and lounging spots, while an outdoor kitchen and infinity basin provide opportunities for al fresco living. The entire outdoor space wraps around the valley-facing side of the house, making it a natural extension of the interior and perfect for morning breakfasts or evening sunsets. Casa Morelli offers 2 bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom. The master suite is especially striking, featuring reclaimed oak floors and a travertine boirie. The bathrooms are crafted with precision, walls clad in cotto tiles, fittings by Vola, and custom travertine bathtubs carved on site. Attention to craftsmanship is evident throughout. From the bespoke steel-framed windows and the panoramic electric opening to the handcrafted furniture by Austrian artist Klaus Lichtenegger, every detail is custom designed and locally sourced. Fixtures, door handles, and lighting were specially made in collaboration with renowned artisans and designers from Munich. The living room is furnished with iconic pieces from Living Divani and de Padova, offering a stylish yet welcoming atmosphere. Whether enjoying a film or relaxing with music through the integrated Sonos system, comfort is paramount. Underfloor heating, air conditioning, and Wi-Fi ensure modern convenience throughout the home. For those balancing leisure and productivity, the home office is equipped with reliable amenities including a printer and ergonomic setup. All bedrooms are fitted with mosquito nets, safes, and extended box spring beds, perfect for taller guests, ensuring restful sleep and peace of mind. Beyond the walls of Casa Morelli lies a world of experiences. Culinary adventures, cultural treasures in Florence and Siena, and nature trails for cycling and hiking. Whether you seek relaxation, exploration, or celebration, this Tuscan retreat is more than just a house. It's a sanctuary where thoughtful design meets timeless tradition.